Today I have come. Okay, here we are today. Yeah, this is hibiscus petals. This is hibiscus petals, and the hibiscus is very, very good for lowering blood pressure. It has been known to significantly lower blood pressure due to its diuretic content, and is very high in antioxidant as well, and the anti-inflammation. Its ability to reduce inflammation and improve circulation. It can be prepared and enjoyed either cold or hot. So now we have made the tea out of it. This one is boiled. So the way to prepare hibiscus is when you pour it in the water, you quickly wash it. Yeah, as you are washing, you will realize that the content is entering even into the water. Now as well, you can prepare it either hot or cold, like I've just mentioned earlier on. So when you boil your water and it has reached to the boiling, should I say concentration, then you can just turn off the heat and you pour the hibiscus you have washed into the boiled water. You steep them in there. So this is the one that has been done like that. Hibiscus is very, very good for people with high blood pressure, and also people without blood pressure. Anybody can take hibiscus, even children. So it has a kind of sour taste. So for the children to enjoy it, you can put little sugar. But if it's an adult, I don't advise adults to take sugar because of diabetes. Of course, indeed, when you are suffering from diabetes, you can't add sugar. You just take it natural like that. You just squeeze some lemon. This is lemon, already squeezed, but I'm going to do another one now. You see it? You squeeze some lemon in your container and in your tumbler or glass. Then you pour in it and you take it immediately. If you don't want to take it immediately, you can put it in the fridge and keep taking. Once it is in the refrigerator, it can stay there for good 1 week. For good 1 week. So it is very, very good for lowering of cholesterol also. It's a cleanser. It serves as a cleanser in our system. Okay, so make sure you buy it. It's not expensive. Bring it as one of the juice for the family. Yes, you do it. If you like, you can add ginger. If you like, you can add turmeric. But I always advise people to make it natural like this. This is the way I do prepare my. I don't add anything apart from this or honey. At times I don't take it with honey also. I take it natural with lemon. Okay, so that is it. Remember what I told you, that it is very good for people with high blood pressure and the people without high blood pressure. Okay, so try it on and see. You will love it. Okay, thank you so much. Please continue to subscribe, connect people to subscribe, and put a finger top like so that I will know that I am doing a good job. Your health is my concern. Thank you so much.